Welcome to InfoHub. Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoHub. So today we are going to learn something very interesting and new. So let's get started. Do subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss any update from InfoHub. So in today's video we will be learning how to fit any image to its canvas size. Let's say these are the two different documents which I have selected, which are having two different properties, and generally if you want to place any image to the other file, see, often the image is too big or small. So generally we adjust the size using the transformation tool or by using the shortcut key Ctrl T, and it's a long method. We need to adjust each time we bring an image. So to avoid this long process, let's create a shortcut method, and that is fit to canvas, where within one click you can easily change the size of your file. Now let me show you how to create one. So the first thing we need to do is, let's place the image to this particular document. Go to Windows and make sure that your actions is checked. This is the tab which will appear to you. So all you need to do is create an action. Click on this new set button which you can see below. Let's name it as, let's say, fit to canvas. OK. Now within this particular heading, click on new action button, that is this particular icon, and let's name it fit image. Now click record. OK. Now after this, the first thing we need to do is convert this particular layer into a smart object by simply right click on this, and you can see the option convert smart object. Simply click on this and the object is converted to a smart object. Now once this layer is converted into a smart object, double click on the layer's thumbnail and this will open the entire image on a different document. Now the next step is simply save this document. Just give it any name. OK. Now as you know, the file is already saved. Now close this document and you're back on the previous document. Now delete this layer which we converted into a smart object because we don't require this now. Go to File, select Place Embedded, select the file which we saved now, OK or place anything. Now as you can see, this particular image which was previously bigger in size simply fit to this particular canvas. Press enter. Now the last and the final step is to stop the action which we have been creating this whole while. Simply click on this icon and finally your action is created. Now each time when you have to bring an image to any particular canvas, all you need to do is, first let's bring an image. Just select the option Actions. Within Action, select Fit Image and simply click on this play button, and here's the result. You can see in just one simple click, it will automatically do all the changes it requires the image to fit in the canvas. So let me show you one more example. See, this method is very helpful where we need to place one image from one document to the other, because in rest of the cases if we are directly opening it from a file, so simply with the help of Place Embedded you can simply select the image and it will automatically fit your canvas size. But in cases where we need to transfer from one document to the other, in such cases, fit to canvas, the one which we created, applies, as you can see. So I'm hoping you're clear with the difference. So isn't it interesting? So that's all for today, and I'm hoping this really helped you out. So see you next time with something more interesting. Thank you. We hope you like this video. Give your feedback in the comment section. Now you can also follow us on all social medias. Hit like and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.